If you're looking to create custom designs that actually stand out, then one of the things you can do is integrating Snapchat Bitmojis into your designs. But the question is, how can you integrate Snapchat Bitmojis into your Canva design? And that is what I'm going to be answering in this video. So don't go anywhere. I will be back. Hey everyone, Benjamin here, a Canva verified expert based in Ghana. In this video, what we are simply going to do is I'm just going to give you the steps on how you can integrate Snapchat Bitmojis into Canva, so that whenever you have to create designs in Canva and you feel like you need to use Snapchat Bitmojis, you don't have to stress too much. So let's check how to get that done. The first thing you need to do is to have Canva opened. And before I even go into that, I just want to say that if you're on the free version of Canva and you're looking at using Canva Pro, I have a special link in the description box below that should help you get Canva Pro for free. So check it out and start using it. So let's continue. You called at the wrong time. Do you know that? Okay, sure. Okay. This is what happens if you don't leave your phone on silent before you record videos. The first thing to do is you need to have Canva open and just click on create a design and just choose anyone at all. Okay, so Canva should load something beautiful for us. So you can see we have a blank canvas, and what we are just going to do is to come into apps. In apps, you just need to scroll down a little bit and you should see Bitmoji over here. So just click on Bitmoji and you can see we would have to connect it to our Snapchat account. So I just click on use and it should open a pop-up here for me. So what it's telling us is that Canva would use our display name and our Bitmoji avatar, which that's what we are looking for, obviously. So I'll just click on continue and it would redirect us into Canva. So you can see we now have all our Bitmojis connected into Canva. And this is the thing, once you have it in there, you can search for any type of Bitmoji you want. So let's take a look. So let's say I wanted dancing emojis, Bitmojis, not emojis. I'll just search for dancing and you can see we have so many of them. I can see driving and you can see we have so many interesting Bitmojis and we can see maybe working. Okay, so this means that depending on the type of content you are creating, you can actually find related Bitmojis right from here. So if you are creating maybe a content that is talking about business, you can search for business related Bitmojis. So let's take a look at it. Alright, so let me just say I wanted to create something related to business. I can just say business and we should get something new. Okay, so off the chat. Okay, so once I click on it, it should be added into my design. And when you are using Bitmojis, try not to make them smaller in your design. I see this a lot in other designers who get to use Bitmojis. Try not to make your Bitmojis small. Make it consume enough space on your design. Okay, so you can just maybe keep it bigger like this. And if we are to add our title, I'll just press on my keyboard to add some sample title. Okay, then I can just maybe stick it over here and I'll just maybe align my text, increase the text, and I'll just change it to maybe Montserrat extra bold. I will decrease the line spacing a little bit. Okay, and just tuck this in, something like this, make it bigger, and I can have it here and I can maybe changing the text. So with the text, I have some custom fonts over here, which is something that's possible when you're using Canva Pro. Okay, so I'll just search for Beavers. Okay, just make it small like this and increase the size. Okay, then with the line spacing, I'll decrease it more. Beautiful. So if I'm to drop this here like this, I can just add a nice background. Okay, so I can use a gradient in my background and maybe increase this a little bit, and we can see we have something interesting over here. So I'll just keep this white, and if I'm using white, I'll just usually what I love to do is to add some shadow. So I'll keep the shadow black. Okay, now we are doing more than just adding Bitmojis. So okay, so something like this is very cool, and you can see how this is looking at the moment. This is something simple you can consider when you want to use Bitmojis in your Canva design. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe if you are new. The name is Benjamin and I'll see you in my next video.
I know you could do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it. Wake up, I'm on to the next new day. I gotta do my best. Every day I put the work in. The grind never stop. You ain't never see me rest. See me on top, I never